Planning a boat party? Stylish swimwear is a must. Choose trunks or bikinis that fit well and dry fast so you're always ready for fun. Stick with breathable fabrics like tank tops and flowy dresses to keep cool without sacrificing style. Don't forget water-friendly footwear. Sandals or flip-flops with good grip help you stay safe on slippery decks. Accessorize smartly with hats, sunglasses, and a dry bag to stay stylish and sun-protected. And for a fun touch, coordinate with your crew using matching colors or custom shirts for those perfect photo-worthy moments.